and welcome to Alpha One. This is a new video for Cryptohopper. We can call it an update video. Yesterday I did work very hard to figure out a strategy that can work also in the bad times. Because if you take a look at the coin market cap, as you can see, we only see red. The only green we see it's actually on dollar coins, so that follow the dollar value. So when we are like that, it's difficult to find a robot, especially for us that want to use stop loss and take profit. We want to minimize our risk so we don't end up with big bags. Okay, so what I did, I was thinking, okay, I don't figure out any of my own strategies to work. So I did basically just go to the marketplace. I found, because in the marketplace here you have a lot of good strategies. But before we go into that, you can also get Cryptohopper and start to use it today. Use my link below the video. You get 7 days free, just so you can test it out. You can see that you start to make money with it, or you can start to follow what I'm doing and we can build something together. And do you know what? It's not that expensive. The smallest packet on Cryptohopper is like $19. Of course, right away when I start to make some money here now, I will change for the bigger packets for 2 reasons. The response time is less, and also we can have more positions, because basically I want to have as many positions as possible. I want to be trade when I find the strategy that is working, so we are making money with it, right? Because we are not interested just going zero, we want to make money. And you have also that you can use their IA robots. You have many different types that are inside here. I have not touched so many of these things yet because I'm still, we can say, pretty new to this system. I'm learning a little by little, and I would really appreciate to learn together with you all. So if you find something, comment below. If you find something that is working for you, I can look into it, things like that. So make comments below, and also if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe and like, and if you have any question also, put them below the video. So in the marketplace, you have a lot of homemade robots, you can say, that is built for this system. And it's actually pretty amazing. And you just push download and automatically you can just choose it after here and use it. So this is the marketplace. Then you can choose for templates, you can choose for strategies. What I did, strategies. Also signals is something we are going to look into later. That's also something that can be cool, can be people that have already made a good system and they basically just send us signals based on it. So as I want to keep this as a low cost, because I'm trying to make with a small account, low cost, so I found one free one. So basically you can just go to my strategies and we can see the one I did choose. I've been testing a few, of course. We need to put market strategies. And the one I did choose is this one, Ready Fight. Did catch me this one. I was like, okay, let's fight. So I did choose that one. And wait, don't need to see my mess behind my computer here, because it's a mess. So now let's see. We got 1 trade already from this one. This one do not trade so much as the other one, but maybe that's also the reason it's a little better. And now I only have put in 2 pairs, Ethereum and Bitcoin. That's the only 2 pairs that I'm trading right now. We have no current pair open, but we did close 1 trade yesterday. Or was it today? Actually, it was today morning, just a few hours ago. So we got a 5% trade. And if you take a look for what we had before, that's positive. So like I said, we are only trading 2 pairs right now. I'm keeping it low risk because even though it's small money I talk about, I try to value this money as much as possible. I don't want to be losing money. So if I start to see like 5-6 trades now that go good for Ethereum and Bitcoin, I will then start to add more and more pairs. So we actually start to see a few trades each day. I would like to see around 4 or 5 trades a day. That would be a good start to build on, and then we can look into it. But of course, it's way too early to say from one win if this is working, but it shows promise. And the settings I did use is the settings that did say on it. So I use 10% take profit, I guess, because it's not what we are after, okay? So it's 10% take profit. We are using a trailing stop on, I think the trailing stop was, let's go into it. I don't, I have, if we can go to strategies, actually I think it says there. I did basically just take the settings that they told on their site, because I guess they know better. Let's see. These settings I use. Basically the only things I did add was these 3 things, and then don't touch anything else. And so, as you see, we have 1 winner. Good start. Of course, we need to see a few more winners in a row before we can count this robot as a good robot. And also we need to see, yeah, it's many things we need to look at basically. So before we start to add more pairs and things, but everything I do, I will update here on this channel. So if you want to follow me on this journey, make sure you start with Binbot Pro. I said Binbot Pro because I've been working so much with Binbot Pro. Now, join me on this journey with Cryptohopper. You find link below the video for Cryptohopper. And use my link today. You have 7 days free to use whatever package you want to start with. Because this depends, right? For the reason I chose the smallest packet is because I want to build a small account. Of course, that's just a project I do it now in the start. I will put in more money later on. Then of course I will use the bigger packets. But at the current moment, I want to prove, not only for you all, but for myself also, that you can do this with a small account, recover at least the $19, and then build on it. So we start to make profit also. Because like I said, the cost is $19. But of course, if you go in with a bigger amount of money, it's easier. Then you can go for a bigger packet and have a little bit more advantage in the system, we can say like that. So, with that, have a perfect day.